Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Find the Area of the Parallelogram Below. Can you say parallelogram? Sure, I knew you could. All right, so this one looks a little different because, once again, it's been rotated a bit, but you can rotate shapes. It's totally fine. In fact, if you'd rather, we can rotate it back to the way it normally looks for you, where it looks like we've got a nice solid base of 15 and a height of 6. My point being is they'll rotate the shapes because that's what we do. We rotate shapes all the time. And that's totally fine because sometimes the way it's been rotated may not work for you. But don't let that throw you off. We're still going to be doing the base times the height because remember, the area, I guess I should put this back. Somebody's going to lose their mind if I do it like that. There we go. Remember, the area of a parallelogram can be found by simply doing the base times the height. Okay? So we still have a base of 15. So area equals 15 inches times a height of 6 inches. Boom. Now, we know that 15 times 6 is 90. So the area of this particular parallelogram is 90 inches squared. And that, my friends, is the answer. Bum, 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 bum. Look how straight this makes my lines. If I just hold the pen right there for a little bit, it actually straightens it out really nice. Oh no, I crashed into the 2. Okay, I'm going to fix this, guys. I'm going to fix it. Don't you worry. It still crashes into the 2. I'm sorry. Well, I hope at least the math portion was helpful to you, and best of luck.